What's going on, guys and gals? Kendall here with Renos for Pros and Joes, back with another installment of the Awesome Gift Idea series. So if you've been watching any of my videos for any period of time, you may have noticed that I wear glasses in almost every single video. Usually it's prescription glasses like the ones I have on today, and frequently if I'm not wearing those, I'm wearing some type of shades, probably these. And so I just wanted to make sure that I qualify that I am a glasses wearer, and I have been wearing glasses and contacts since I was in the 7th grade. And one of the things that I have noticed as I've begun to wear glasses more frequently as I've grown older and kind of transitioned away from contact lenses is that I noticed that when I look at other people who wear glasses, I've developed a pet peeve, and that is seeing other people with extremely dirty glasses. And I used to be in this exact same category, and I didn't have the same level of pride for keeping my glasses clean. And the product that I'm going to share with you today is one that was extremely instrumental in helping to change the way that I clean and maintain my glasses. So if you're a glasses wearer, or you know someone who is a glasses wearer, then you know that when you get a new pair of frames, what comes with those frames is frequently a cleaning cloth that is about this big. And the issue with that cleaning cloth is once you've used it 5 or 6 times, it essentially becomes soiled to the point where you can't really effectively clean the glasses anymore. And to add insult to injury, the cloth cannot be tossed in with your laundry to clean it and reuse it again. It's something that has to be washed by hand, and you have to be very careful with regards to what type of cleaning supplies you use when you wash it. And so I've tried that. And I've also even upgraded to using the very large microfiber cloths, which are about this size, these dimensions here, but unfortunately the same problem persists. So the product that I'm going to share with you guys today is one that I not only use on a regular basis on my glasses, but I also use it on my cameras and any type of glass that I am extremely careful about keeping clean. So let me show you what the product is, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. Okay guys, here they are, glasses wipes. Now, before you have a huge sigh of disappointment, let me tell you a little bit more about these glasses wipes. This is a box of 200, and it allows you to tear the box open for easy access. As you can see here on the picture on the box, it's got a digital SLR camera on it, it's got a pair of prescription glasses, it's got binoculars, and it's also got sunglasses on there. So this type of wipe is actually designed to be used on any type of high-end specialty glass. You don't have to worry about it scratching it, okay? So that's the first thing. The second thing that I want to say is that they are easy to tear off and easy to store and keep in your pocket or in your purse or on your person at any time. So let me quickly show you what they look like, because this box is not yet open yet. I'm going to take some out of a box that's already opened. Here's my box. So you go into the box, and the wipes come in little 2-pack attachments like this. So you can easily just take them and tear them off. And the big difference about these type of wipes over other types that I've used is their effectiveness. I mean, these are really, really good wipes. So you know that I am constantly fixing stuff and remodeling stuff, and I'm constantly around dust 24/7. And so that makes it very difficult to keep my glasses clean. And so I have these scattered all over the place. These are in my vehicle, these are in my pockets. Whenever my laundry gets done, there's always a stack of them on top of the washing machine of the ones that don't get used, as well as the spent wrappers from the ones that I have used. So let me quickly show you how these work. So you simply take your glasses off, and the instructions actually say that you're supposed to take the first wipe before unwrapping it and just simply do a first cursory wipe of your lenses like so. Then take it and flip it out all the way like this. And so what I like to do is I like to use about half of that wipe to clean one lens, and then I'll switch to the other side of the wipe, just sliding over like this and cleaning it off like that. And then that typically does the trick, and I'm good to go. If I'm going to be doing something that's extremely dirty, where I've actually got real dirt mixed in with the oil from my face on my glasses, I may have to go heavy duty and use 2 of these. But typically that is the most that it typically takes, and that is in very extreme situations and is not a common thing. And so let me tell you a quick story about how well these work. Last Christmas, I bought a box of these for a very close friend of mine, and I gave them to him, and I told him when I gave them to him, I said, these are gonna change your life forever. And he kind of laughed and was still in disbelief that I actually gave him some glasses wipes as a gift. So in any case, I gave them to him as we were parting, and then maybe about a week later, I touched base with him regarding something else, and he just happened to bring it up in conversation and said, dude, those glasses wipes have changed my life. And then now we're a year later, and he actually buys these exact same wipes on his own. So this is the type of gift that you're essentially going to give someone to show them the way. So once they've tried these glasses wipes out, they're going to basically decide to buy these on their own going forward. So you're exposing them to something new, which is a better way to keep their glasses clean. And so I just wanted to share that with you so that you know that I know that it seems a little bit strange to be giving someone glasses wipes, but trust me, they are a life changer for anyone that wears glasses all the time, wears sunglasses all the time, does a lot of different things with cameras and things like that, or binoculars, all the above. These are very, very versatile. And as I said, they come in a little package or a pouch that is very difficult to tear up. And so I'm gonna tear another one open just so you can see what the inside of the pouch looks like, because that's another thing that I wanted to share with you guys. Is I mentioned that I have these in my vehicle frequently, and I've never had an issue with them drying out, even in the summertime. And as you guys know, I am in the Southeast where it gets very hot in the summertime. And so as you can see here, the pouch is actually lined with a metallic, almost like aluminum style finish. And this definitely helps to seal in the moisture and helps it from evaporating in hot temperatures. And so this is another one of these wipes. I hate to have it out here like this and let it go to waste. So I'll just clean off my shades as I continue to talk to you guys. And so if you're anything like me, it's easier to give someone a gift when you're getting something for yourself also. Now I know that that's not necessarily right, but it's just the way that it is. And some people call this the only child syndrome. Others may just call it downright selfishness. Whatever you want to call it, it's a real thing, and I suffer from it too. And so when I did buy my friend the glasses wipes, what did I do? That's right, I bought one for him and one for me. And if you look at the link in the description box below, you will see that there are some awesome deals for these. I'm gonna give you the link below to where I think is the best place to buy them online. Also, be careful when you're buying these, and I would encourage you that if you choose to buy them online, particularly if you're gonna buy them on Amazon, that you use the link that I use below in the description box. And the reason for that is simple. If you go on Amazon and simply search for these type of glasses wipes, you're gonna find that there's gonna be a lot of different retailers. And when you begin to look at the reviews and sift through them, you'll find that some people are complaining about some of the different listings and sellers, and some people are questioning whether or not the glasses wipes that they received are counterfeit based on their previous experience and how well their previous purchases had worked. And so I ran into this also. The first time that I bought these glasses wipes, they were amazing. That was several years ago now. And when I went back to buy them again, I did not order directly from my history. I just kind of did a quick search. And when I did that search, I began to see the mixed reviews, and I saw people discussing whether or not they thought the wipes were fake compared to the real ones that they'd had in the past. And I simply went back in my history and ordered again from the original listing that I purchased from the first time. And so that's how I made sure that I was making the right decision and playing it safe. So I'm gonna have the link below to the seller that I use to buy mine from, so that we can make sure that you get the ones you're supposed to get. Hopefully you found this video informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.